So this is a procedural dungeon generator that I coded, and it has kind of a Legend of Zelda feel to it. And I'm going to go ahead and start a new game. I've already saved over these slots in memory, but I'll go ahead and overwrite one. And the wisdom here, it says it determines how strong your magic is. I didn't have time during the code sprint and during the time limit to actually implement the magic system, so I won't raise that. But strength and speed are very important. Let's see. Maybe I'll be super fast. Oh, that seems kind of like cheating, but okay, I'll be super fast. And if you accidentally try to start without distributing, it'll tell you to do that. So, all right, here we go. We're going to start the game. Oh gosh, I started right in the middle of a trap field. Oh no. Okay, now I definitely need that heart. Okay, yeah, those sound effects I found also as free assets. So the way this works is it creates an array, 2D array or matrix, and it starts putting randomly generated dungeon prefabs into each node or point of the 2D array. Then it creates a lot of random paths throughout the dungeon, but it also crawls the matrix to ensure a continuous path between the very starting room and at least one of the exits, usually multiple. So it'll create like multiple viable exit pathways throughout the dungeon. Oh, that's a boss, and there's the exit right behind it. Oh gosh. Oh, I hit it so hard it got afraid of me. There we go. I exited the dungeon. But yeah, so it creates... Let me turn the fire sound effect down. It creates the array, and it's almost like a little bit of a topology or Manhattan blocks problem, where it'll start from one node in the array, so to speak, and just start to find its way through. And it keeps incrementing its column index and its row index until it finds a room that has an exit. And if it can't find such a continuous pathway through the dungeon, it'll create one. And in fact, if you turn on debug mode, it'll even show you with blue little squares where it crawled through the dungeon to make the path. So we can also load games. I created different characters in these slots, but I'll just reload. I think I named them Milo, and I appeared right on a slime. So and let me go ahead and just back out here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. So here's the dungeon with all of its different rooms. Oh wow, it spawned a lot of big red slimes this time. And let's see if I can demonstrate more what's going on. Okay, yeah, so here we are in our starting room, and these admittedly not the most gorgeous graphics doors here are junctures, and the red doors are the exits. Okay, so in this case, it was really simple. It just created a straight line path to an exit. But if I let's see more complicated versions. And oh, also, you know what? I'll just go right into here, and I'll turn on debug mode so you can see where it crawls through the matrix here. Where did I put debug? Oh, right in here. Debug mode. All right. Okay, so there we go. That's where it crawled through. And let me turn off the fog of war. Okay, there we go. So now we can see it making a path through the matrix here. And I'm pretty sure you can see my pointer on the screen recording. I go from here to here to here, and it probably, okay, so it created one straight line path to this exit, but it also often creates really devious paths. I'm surprised it's shown two straight line paths. Let's see. Okay, here's another path to an exit right here. All right, let's just generate it again and see what it looks like. Okay, this time it looks pretty straightforward. It's just down, over, down, and then that red door There's the skull and crossbones. There's the exit there. Let's generate another one. I want it to. Okay, this looks a little bit more devious here. All right, let's see. It probably tried multiple times. Yeah, okay, so this time it looks like I went down. Oh, let me remove the fog of war so we could see for sure. All right, yeah, it looks like I went down, over, down, 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 over, and then down through these rooms, over, and then there's an exit right there. All right. So that's just how the dungeon generation is working. I mean, there are plenty of other ways to do it, of course. One of the other ways I was thinking about doing was creating tiles in different sized rooms. But in the old Legend of Zelda, all the rooms are the same size, so I figured I would kind of go with this sort of approach. But anyways, I'm really happy to demonstrate the work, and love to have any feedback anyone has on this. Thank you.